Hi guys, today we've got two very interesting packages. Well, actually we've got four packages, two very interesting, but I'll only show you two. And this is the one I won't show you for now. This will require a special episode. This is the Galactic Cap you've probably heard about recently. It's been a hit of TikTok movies. So this is the revolutionary new condom. Well, not exactly a condom, but you'll hear about that in the episode I'll record. Well, this is not only a very revolutionary product, but a proof that social media are really powerful, because the sales were so-so for this product until some girl recorded a TikTok movie on how it actually works. And after that, sales exploded. That's probably I had to wait for this package. So like 3 months. Funny thing is, the inventor right now is forbidden from selling this product in the US because it doesn't have FDA approval yet. But as you can see, in Europe, it wasn't a problem at all, except for the wait time. But as I told you, I won't show you that one. I'll show you this package, which is equally interesting. So this is, I would say, an ear pick. It's actually called Smart Visual Ear Cleaner. I don't know if you remember that old movie where I had that ear cleaner where you twist it around. So it's similar to Q-tips, but with a plastic spiral on the end. Well, it's a really good product, but once or twice I actually got my earwax stuck inside the ear to the point when I answered the phone on my right ear, I couldn't hear it at all. It was really difficult to then flush it out of the ear. So I got this. So this is like a Q-tip, but with a plastic end and a built-in camera, so you don't hurt your ear inside. So let's see if it works. Hopefully it's pre-charged and we'll record some video. Okay, so we've got the instruction manual, but most importantly, the QR code for getting the app for connecting to this ear pick. So let's try to download the app on the other phone. iOS, Android, and something called K10. While the app is loading, let's see if this starts up. Lights glowing, so I guess it's working. So maybe to show you how the app works, we'll do a screen recording. So what do we have here? Beebird R1. Looks you have to manually connect to the Wi-Fi. Pick left ear. Why does it want you to pick the left ear? Be easier to start with the right one. Doesn't look too appetizing. So maybe let's try the right ear. Let's see, a bit disgusting, but it does seem to work. You need to get used to this. It's like doing something in a mirror, so you need to get used to the movement. Okay, now choose the right ear. Oh, you can also choose the focus type. Ugh. And the magnification looks disgusting, but actually there's almost nothing there. So I guess I can really recommend this. With a focused view, it's really easy to manipulate. It was a bit difficult with a wide view. Let's clean this off. Okay, so as always, if you'd like one like this, you'll find the link below. Okay, so I see there's also an option for video recording right in the app, so maybe that video will be in better, higher resolution. So let's stick this in the ear again. Gotta get it at a right angle. Okay, twist it around. Takes a bit of getting used to. Yeah. Okay. It is disgusting. But you also have this case here. Got not only the case, but also additional tips. To tell you the truth, I already have an exactly same case, which was included with some sunglasses. Okay, so in the evening we'll do some very intensive ear cleaning. So now for the remaining 2 packages, which probably will be nothing exciting. Now it is something exciting. Mini handcuffs. Well, these are like the thumb cuffs. You could snap them on your thumbs. Although I bought it for an entirely different purpose, but that will be also another movie. And there are these keyholes here, but you open them just pulling on the tab here. I was afraid this is plastic with a metallized layer. Well, this is actually solid metal, so it'll be really suitable for what I intended for. And last but not least, something I could have really used a month ago. I did order this a long time ago. It just took a really long time to arrive. These would come in useful when I was doing the lighting in my wife's Subaru. So this is heat shrink tubing. This on the ends here is glue, and in the center there's some low melting point solder, so So you just place the wires from both ends. You can heat it up with a lighter. It'll nicely shrink, and then the central part will melt, connecting the two wires. Wasn't able to use these then. That'll come in useful in the future. So that's it for today. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and see you again soon. And wait for that Galactic Cap condom review. Cheers.